Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put ads on Wix websites in 2024. So whether you want to monetize as example your site or also you want as example to promote your own products, adding ads can be a great way to boost your revenue and also visibility on your website. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to show you how to put ads on your Wix website, and let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use the want. Go to the URL section, of course, and simply just go to wix.com. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page instead. So here, of course, as you can see, you'll be taken here. So click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on get started instead. You can use a Google account, Facebook account, Apple account to log in, or even for sign up, you can use Google or Facebook. So if you have one of those accounts, you can simply use it. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here, or just created your account, you'll find yourself here on your sites if you have any, or basically your dashboard. You can create any site, a new site. You can use one of these videos. Don't get confused or something like that. It's actually very easy. You can use either, which the most important part is you either use the Wix Studio or Wix Editor or Wix Studio. This is the most important part. Of course, you can even create a video using AI. If you don't know how to do it, I've already made a video about it. You can go and check it out. Of course, right here, as you can see, we can go and edit. I'll just go and edit both sites here. This using Wix Editor and this using Wix Studio. So I'll start with this one because it will load faster than Wix Studio. And now, of course, once you have your site ready, you can simply start seeing, or once you're logged into your site and logging into your website, if you have a website, if you don't, you go and create one. Now you'll have to decide which ad network or platform you want to use. Of course, the most popular option is Google AdSense, right? There's also MediaNet or direct ad placement. For this tutorial example, let's just focus on the most popular option, which is Google Ads. Of course, but the process is going to be very, very similar for other networks such as media.net or any direct ad placement. So I'll just go here and open a new tab. Just go to AdSense or ads.google. So it's going to be the same. So I'll just go to AdSense Google, type that, go to the first link as example, just go and click, of course, and connect to your account, and it should connect me right away into my account. And yeah, as you can see, for example, it does deactivate it because when I activate, I'll just go and click on reactivate. And as you can see, let's get you started. Just follow the steps to start earning with ads. So as you can see, we've got your info. Here, as you can see how ads look on your site and connect your site to AdSense. So we'll need basically to go and add our site. Of course, if you don't have somehow a Google account, which I think is impossible, make sure to go and create a new one because without it, you'll not be able to access Google AdSense. So once you have it, we'll need, of course, to simply go and add our site. So just go to this add site option, click on it, and here we'll have to enter our website. So example for this one, if I go here and click on publish, you just go and do it. As you can see, they'll give me the URL. So just go and copy it, come here and enter that out, then click on save. As you can see, URL must be valid, top level domain. Did you mean to enter an example? This one, nope, no, I did not mean that because of course, it's might be different, or of course, let me just go and check the URL of this one just in case, because the URL of Wix on the free URL that they give you. So let me just go, not view sites. I don't want to view sites. So I'll just go here and copy that instead and see if that's gonna work. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work anyway, because they don't want this slash whatever it is. But this is basically what you will have to add, of course. Or this they will let you add as example. So if you go here and let me just go and access that instead. So can I unpublish it? So first of all, I'll just go to Wix Editor. Yeah, I'll just go here and publish sites as example. So let's unpublish it first, and I'll try to publish it into another here. I'll just go and click on unpublish. Once it's unpublished, of course, I'll try to publish it again on a specific URL. So yeah, here I'll just go and click on publish again. Of course, yeah. So they'll basically publish it on the same option because I choose already the URL. So basically, what they'll accept from you is something without the slash. As example, if I do this, I'll just show you. Click on save. As an example, they will accept it right away. Of course, you can even once you add your site, you can explore how it does look like. So if you're trying to publish or add an ads on a Wix website, make sure you have your own domain. You just go and connect to your domain. It's going to be very easy to do it. For example, if I go here and click on what is the settings of that, so okay, I'll just go and click on public sites because it will get me into the domain like section. I'll try to connect, as an example, my own domain. I have a GoDaddy domain. I'll try to publish as an example, but I guess to publish your own domain, you'll need to upgrade the plan, right? I guess so. Like, yeah, as an example, connect your own branded domain, you'll need to upgrade the plan. Even the same here as an example, if I go and click on publish, so as an example, yeah, it's going to be basically the same. We'll have to upgrade the plan. So basically, for you, you'll probably have Wix upgraded. If you're not, you'll not be able to do it back because as you saw before, you'll not be able to use it without an upgraded plan. Of course, make sure you can add multiple like sites. So, for example, I'll add here a URL or a domain that I already have or own, and as you can see, once you add it, they'll not ask you for anything, right? But of course, you can first of all, just like example this site, and click on explore how ads will look on your site. So click on explore. Basically, I don't know why it's not working, but basically anyway, here just you'll be able to see how it does look like. But that's what's important, which connects your site to Google AdSense. So click on let's go, of course. So once you click on let's go, as you can see, they will take you here. Of course, depending on the thing that you choose. If you choose this example, click on let's go, they'll take us here. So here you will have to do verified site ownership. You can simply select the verification method. Do you want it within or with Google AdSense code snips or add TXT snips or meta tag, whatever suits you. So for whatever you choose, you'll have to get your sites ready to show ads, copy and paste this code between head, and tags, of course, on each page. But for us, of course, if you don't have a premium plan, you'll not be able to edit the header sites or the header option. So keep that in mind. You'll not be able to edit the header unless, or to add the snippets, unless you basically have a premium plan. So what you'll need to do, copy it, add it to your header, check that I've placed the code, click on verify. As you can see for me, they'll tell me not couldn't verify. For you, it will be verified. Then it will go through request a review. Once you do so, they will basically test the ad display. All you need to do for you, just adjust the ad placements. Of course, you'll be able to do it like from now here. You'll be able to explore how it does look like, and you'll be able to edit it, and even you'll be able to edit it through Wix. And yeah, you should be like after that good to go. The same steps will be for whatever other options choose other than Google AdSense. So keep that in mind. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.